Hello guys, welcome to the Java developers. In this video, we are going to download the Eclipse for our Java purpose. Okay, just download Eclipse for Windows 11 and go to the first website, that is Eclipse Foundation, and here you will be having download option. Just click on that, select the bits. Okay, after clicking on that, it will redirect it to the download. Then click on download. Automatically downloading will be done here. After successful download, uh, just click on the folder. Okay, then it will show that downloaded file name like Eclipse JRE Windows 64 execution file. Okay, then close this. It will take some time, just wait for a while. Okay, Eclipse installer. Okay, after successful double click on that, it will navigate to the some window, and here it was shows that we have full options, and based on our requirement we have to select one. I was selecting Eclipse IDE for the Java developers. And do not change the path where we have downloaded the JDK file at first, right? And maintain the same path. Okay, like C drive, mm, like program files. Okay, then Java is there here, right? So select the folder. Cannot be because it's read only. Okay, I was changing, but don't change you. Just select Eclipse. Okay, let's see what will happen. It was installing. By default, it will take some time for the installation. Okay, after successful installation, just click on launch. It was asking for the workspace. I was changing my workspace to the F drive, and same Eclipse. Use this as a default. Then I have running it. Okay. Eclipse is starting now. Make sure that the Java software has already installed in your system. Okay. After installation of that, just download the Eclipse. Okay, if you want to know the which version you are going to use, just go for the command line. Okay, just go for the command line. Just type java space -version. It will shows that current version you are installed in your system. Okay, it's version 17. Okay, successfully installed, and open the Eclipse IDE. Okay, create. After it was loading for the setup, right? Just click on exclude, proceed. Okay, and create a Java project. Okay, do you want to make this app changes on your device? Yes, for the further use cases. And the project name is Core Java. Okay, please check that our version is 17. Okay, environment is our Java version already 17, which is installed in it, and go for next. Okay, click on next. It redirected, then click on finish. Okay, after that go to the Windows, then preference. Okay, then go for Java. Inside Java, installed JREs. Yeah, here JDK 17, right? It has to be ticked. Okay, JDK 17. Okay, it has to be checked, and click on apply, then apply and close. Okay, just we are going to write hello world program by using the Eclipse IDE, new class. Okay, and I want to give the package name as Java developers. Okay, the package name, all letters should be in a smaller case. Okay, and next class name is hello world, and just click on the main method, then finish it. Okay, and automatically class file will be opened. Just use the control space to enlarge the text, and here just press sys out. This out mean this out. Okay, then use hello world statement. After successful that, then run as Java application. Okay, always save the resources, then it has to show the hello world, right? Hello world, or you can use like this out. Okay, or welcome. Okay, this is the code I have developed. Okay, here you will be having the run the hello world code as it was running. Yeah, you got the output, right? If you're writing anything like int of a is equals to 10, and if I use this out, okay, this out of a, what is output? It's you are getting it here. Yeah, just comment me below why we are getting the 10 here beside the text. Okay, that's all about today video. If you have any doubts or any challenges while installation of Eclipse, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.